Okay, it's about to be wearing Sarang Junior versus Steve Basa. Number 48. Steve. Number 35. Number 48 on Team Substitute. First person on call, first team foul, number 9 for the 48, check the three. Ball, number 31. Right. Oh, there's a foul. Number 9. First personal foul, first team foul. Spin, give up, using great move by La Cuesta. Oh, crossover. Makbal. There's a foul by number 20. Strong move by number 21. Personnel from the 50-foot line, pass, basket. Second attempt. In and out. Just right, West Bank. Three-point shot pass, out. Number 9, so 4. Three-point shot, and number 14, pass out, rebound by Sarang Junior ball. Last touch by Team Basa. Number 15. Pink. Number 48, setting up play. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass. Aliong pass, Team Kapal, Banks. Still balas lagi. Bisa yung versi number 0. Oh, Number 48, crossover. Pass. Not count. Number 1. From Team Basa. First personal foul, second team foul. Third team foul, correction. Number 48, three-point shot out. Big rebound by number 4 from Team Basa. Also was reviewed. By number 15, crossover. Number 9, Mr. Long. Yeah. Last possession po tayo. Number 4. Number 9. Oh! Number 23, drive, out. Number 9. Foul. Ayan na. Katawag na yan, foul. Number 4. Number 0. Number 4. Oh! Number 4. Number 23. Oh, there's a foul. Number 35. La Cuesta. Warning for penalty ng Team Basa. First attempt by number 23, basket. Second attempt from the 50-foot line. Wearing jersey number 23 from Team Sarandino. Out. Rosiero Cuesta. Down the ball. Masover. Number 4. Makita may nag-treatment dyan at di ba may number 4?
Sabay lang ha, sabay lang.
Good play by number 9. Water shot by number 4 for Team. Second personal foul penalty. Water shot by number 4 from Team Sarandino. Last 4 minutes and 15 seconds. Basket. Acuesta, 7-3. Looking for the receiver. Acuesta. Oh, there's a foul. Number 23. First personal foul, 17 foul. 13 foul, right there. Oh, it's a foul. Good job by the referee. Number 25, Pierre Brown. Basket. Anu. Number 4. Post to post by number 4 from Team Sarandino. Number 4 again. Team Basa. Last touch by Last 2 minutes and 55 seconds in the first quarter. Number 11. Number 4. Number 9. Number 4 takes the point shot out. Number 11. Brian takes up. Number 26. Oh, pass ball. Official score, 9-6 in favor of San Diego. Perimeter shot, out. Foul, 1-0. Nakuha sa sintak si Bangora. Number 11, 3-point shot, out. Green ball. Number 11, 3-point shot, out. It's yellow ball. Number 4, Mix. 3-point shot, stars, basket. And number 4, from Team Starangillo. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Number 4, Lopez. Number 9, Mix. Harap na number 4, with Jason Castro. Cuesta. Basket. Number 4, down the ball. Tapos number 4, from Team Basa. 3-point shot again. Step back, out. Limang by Cuesta. Coast to coast. Forward. Number 26. Tigil drop, nice basket. Makmak Cardona. Number 11. Number 4, number 11. Number 5 seconds to shoot. Number 9, 3-point shot, out.
Foul. Siko. Meron muna pangga.
Penalty. Last 1.9 seconds. Last 1.9 seconds. Okay, sir. Number 11. Using the last basket. Number 48. Iba man number 48. Number 26. Pass out. Limang ng Cuesta. Number 11. Easy layup. Basket. Number 48. Aggressive defense by Team Basa. Pakambal. Sable. 9 seconds to shoot. Number 48. Unsportsmanlike foul. By number 31, kick number. Kaya may lagay. Kaya tinatawag na planning na tayo. 2-4-2 by Vincent Rosero, tingin pasa. Second attempt, okay. Yung mga number 0, strong out tayo. 0, Frankie Pasa, defense. Frankie Pasa, number 21. Oh, isa pa, ay. 0. Third personal foul, first team foul. 0. Jersey, 0. First attempt by Pamban. Violation. Number 9, crossover. Harap na number 14, speed. Number 4, last touch. Seconds to shoot. Berdiri, Ganda ng pwesto niya ng pwesto. Dave Sarangillo. Back to the ball game.
40.
Jersey number 0. The number 4. Three-point shot. Pass. Out. Ball right. Okay, number 9. That's 48. The number 15. Still, the number 11. Official score 16. crossover, 145. Using the glass, out. Number 26, Team Rock. Out. Number 26 again. Bates. Pass. Basket. Up. Up. Nagpupulbo ko. Wala na magawa sila Roy. Three points.
Dos.
Plus 2 points na po. Kaya na po. 2 points pa. Tampas again. La Cuesta. Oh! 2018. Napakabilis naman ito. Number 35. Gusto. Make a pass. Ako pa sa saga. Number 48. Basket. Change the ball. Number 11, 3-point shot pass. Out. Number 35. Number 4, 3-point shot out. Number 5, number 23. Number 4. From Team Sarangillo. Dari number shot out. Oh, bala. Again. Basket, strong rebound. Number 1, 11. Number 35. 3-point shot. Mr. Rock. Number 4. Bates. Number 23. Naitira pa. Number 01. 01 yung foul. Dalawa na foul. Number 9. Second personal foul, ha? 01. Jason Plaza. Big shot. Out. Number 4. Basket again. Second straight points by number 4. Nagkatrabaho na po siya ng second quarter. Ten seconds. Number 4. 5 seconds. Galing naman. Puro gusto ko. Timeout. Team Basa. Official score, 29-24 in favor of Team San Lino. Last 2 minutes and 55 seconds in the second quarter. La Cuesta, crossover. Here drop, basket. Napakaisipot ng dalaw, La Cuesta. Number 23, down the ball. Number 4, number 23, drives, thrown out. Rebound by number 2. La Cuesta, cross behind the back dribble, crossover. To number 9, La Cuesta. 10 seconds to shoot. Out. Number 13, down the ball. Double dribble. Sting basa po. Number 9, Derek Miller. Out. Number 4 again. Napakagaling naman ang dalaw. Hindi lumabas, sayang. La Cuesta. Bawal number 23. Twenty-nine, 26 in favor of Team San Lino. Presented by number 45, basket. Boss Tyler, La Cuesta. Second attempt, basket again. Number 23. Ganda mo pasa. George number 0. Number 23. Big, guys, basket. Veteranan. Number 2. Number 9. Jersey number 0, Martin. San Diego foul. First personal foul. 30 foul. Number 4. Trying to make a 3-point shot. Out. Rebound by number 9. Out again. Number 4, nagtrabaho naman po siya. Ganda ng pasa. Pero ba, nakapunta pa. Di La Cuesta, same one. Last 17 seconds. Save one. Very good pass out. Rebound by number 4. To the team captain, La Cuesta, Joaquin Basa. Crossover. 3-point shot by La Cuesta. Pass out. Number 4. Setting a play. That was by number 07. Crossover. Pull up for 3. Outside. Number 1. To Mr. Long. Number 9. Very good shot. Out again.
End of second half. 28
And
31.
Borsa.
Favor of Sarangillo.
Number 15. Trapas. To number 13 and out. Number 4. Basket. Number 11. 10 seconds. Number 11. 3-point shot out. There's a foul by number 23. Ball shot. Goes in for 0. Correction, number 29. Foul number 29. Nothing but that. Number 29. Foul by number 0. Third personal foul. First team foul. Third. Number 23, third personal foul out from Team San Diego. Crossover, by number 11. Oh, foul. Number 29, ha? Foul, tapos technical foul. Technical free throw out. Back to the ball game now. Second personal foul. Number 11. Zero. Fourth personal foul. Second team foul. Substitution. Second minute. Basket ahead. The team captain, number 5. The number 9, Alirun pass to play by Team Basa. Number 4, by number 4 from Team Basa. Number 4, Brad Steve. Number 1, number 9. Number 11, Nagwesta Black. Ganda ng depensa. 3-2. Age favor na po tayo. 38-35. Age favor of Team Basa. Number 15, second play. Tuping Gambal. Pass, basket. Papakiram namin yung dalawa eh. 3-point shot. Ibabay, jersey number 0. Setting a play. 10 seconds. 3-point shot. Out. Number 15. Binale. Takes favor again. 39-38. Last 5 minutes and 49 seconds in the third quarter. Next game, get ready. 10 seconds. Number 11, 3-point shot. Number 4, crossover. Sambal, takes again. Oh, there's a ball by number 4. Abadi Monta. Timeout, Team Basa.
RP9 Sarangillo, 41 Basa.
Official score 41-39 in favor of Team Basa. Last 5 minutes and 18 seconds in the third quarter. Back to the ball game. First attempt, Gambal, basket. Second attempt, basket. Subdivision. Jersey number 0. Setting a play, alas main De La Cuesta. Setting a play. Number 11, guys. Basket by number 4 for 3. Wala na po ng Destino sa ating boom. Number 29, 8. Number 11, guys, basket. Mark Ingris. The team captain. 3-point shot. Out. There's number 0. Number 11, out again. Setting a play. Number 4, 3-point shot. In and out. Finish number 2. Number 29, 3 points. Perimeter shot, basket. Age favor 45-44, last 3 minutes and 50 seconds in the third quarter. Game run by number 0. Out of bounds. Raybon. Number 35. A little big. 3-point shot. Ayaw talaga. Yellow. Basal. Small move by Ethan Brown. Number 11. 3-point shot. Bang! Number 11 for 3. Still again by number 11. Setting the play. 3 points again. Out. Ibaba lang ang extra. Three seconds violation. Oh. Traveling violations. Crossover. Walang fiesta. 3-point shot. Out again. Number 4. Last touch. Substitution. 18 seconds to shoot. First basket by number 22 sa Bengals. Zero, setting play. Last 1 minute and 2 seconds. Jump shot out. Lay it again. Follow up by number 23. Basket again. Number 25, setting a play. The team captain ng Westa. 10 seconds. Bang! For 3 by number 4. Last 20 seconds. Shot clock is dead. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds.
And the third quarter,
And the third quarter.
152.
Official score, Kipinyo versus Team Basal.
Final
Team Basal need 1 point. Raybon.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Isa. 5.
Number 25 to number 11. Out, follow up. At again, follow up again. Basket. Dahil 0-0 pang Team Basal. Number 4. Ganda ng galaw! Tapas! Basket! Ako! Pagkawa na tuwa na lang. Number 9. Drop pass. 10 seconds. Sable. 40 seconds. Number 9. Number 4 receiver. 5 seconds. Black. La Cuesta. Good job, La Cuesta basket. Remaining week. Veterano Woods. Number 9. Number 11. La Cuesta. Number 9. Fake pass. It's a long ball. Bad pass. Jersey number 0. Number 29. Right pass. There's a ball. Number 2. Substitution. Two for two. Jersey number 29. Round team sa video. Isa din. Second attempt. Aray. Pati referee yun. Ano referee ako nakakaman to? Alcoraw. Number 11. 3 points and honors. Out. Libang na number 23. Number 4. Slap pass. Oh! Enter na pala ng Manini. Number 11. Change play mo na po tayo. Sa middle, it's 3 points. Number 25. Aram, 10 seconds. La Cuesta, out. Number 4. Advance time on rep. 10 seconds. Oh! Basket. Sable. Timeout. Team Basa. Official score 59-50 in favor of Team Sarangillo. That's 6 minutes and 7 seconds in the final quarter. Back to the ball game. Jersey number 0 pass basket. Change favor, 1 point lead by Team Basa. Number 23. Seymour. 10 seconds to shoot. Basket in there. Strong. Number 11 from the Basa. Setting the play. Last by number 23. A little pick by jersey number 0. Pass out. La puesta, 3-point shot. Ayaw agad. Number 15, basket. 3-point lead by Team Sarangillo. That's 5 minutes. Foul by number 29. Third personal foul. First team foul. Inbound by La Cuesta. Number 9. Easy layup. 5-point lead. Seymour. Number 15. Number 9 pass. Ayaw. Number 15 again. It's Three-point shot by number 11. Out again. Ikaw man. Number 4. Time out, Team Basa. Seven-point lead by Team Sarangillo. Last 4 minutes and 1 second in the final quarter. Back to the ball game. Next game, get ready. Number 9. Jersey number 0. Pass basket. 5-point lead by Team Sarangillo. Number 29. Looking. Number 4. Number 29. Number 15 again. Out. La Cuesta. Teardrop. Out. Offensive foul by number 4. Number 11. Number 9. Second team foul. Number 11, out. Foul by number 31. Gutierrez, number 4. Costa for three, basket for three. Time out. Team Sarangillo. 2-point lead na lang po. Team Sarangillo. Napakaganda po na laban. It's an out game between Team Sarangillo versus Team Basa. Back to the ball game. Number 4. Third personal foul, third team foul. Setting a play by number 29. 10 seconds. There's a foul by number 4. Ayong bench po natin, ayong bench natin. Isa lang po dapat may nakatayo sa bench. Second attempt. Basket. Napakaganda po na laban. Mahaba pa yan. 1 minute and 49 seconds. Tambal. Pass. Out. Number 35. Fourth personal foul. Warning for the athletes. First attempt by Mark Pinklis. Second attempt. Random big ball by 4-point lead by Team Sarangillo. Binalik pa yung bola. Malayo pa yan. Number 5. Number 11. Number 25. Number 9. Pass. Out. Number 4. Strong ball kaya. Penalty. Ball goes on the bar by jersey number 0. Running for Broadway. Wow, number 23. Penalty. Running for Broadway number 23. Second attempt. Ten seconds. 5 seconds. Plus one more. Make a ball. Out. Tambay ulit. Fourteen seconds. La cuesta. La cuesta again. Goodbye, Chad. Ayaw ulit. Inila. Alam mo. Inila. Ayaw na. Puso. Congratulations.
72-17.
Napakagandang wala na
Winner,
lawan.
Sarangilio.
2 point lead na po ang kalaban, ano? Sayang